something on the grill. I'm gonna eat. Then we're gonna get back to doing what we're doing to the truck. And this baby needed almost done with it. Almost. Still waiting on parts for that too. But today we're gonna take the truck bed off so I can finish doing the frame, and then I'm gonna go ahead and change my fuel pump and floater out. Alright, we went ahead and moved that. We're gonna clean that up and paint that too. But the main motto is to get the truck bed off. Like I said, kids over there on the other side playing. And then, like I said, when we get done eating, the bed off. I'm getting ready to go to work, so pick this video back up tomorrow. I'll wash it, then sand it down, and get ready for paint. And so it shows you how deep that stuff is. So that's why I'm going ahead and knock it down. There's no, it's just surface rust. There's no major rust. So that's why I'm taking control of it now. Because if I just say forget it and just let it do what it's do, here in a couple years it's probably going to be going through the metal, and the metal's good on this truck. So go ahead and knock the surface rust off. I'm gonna primer it and spray it black, just to where I don't have no rust problems, because that's the last thing I need. Well, that's just a quick little update. I'm gonna get back to sanding and cleaning it up. I don't know if I'm turning it back on today, because like I said, I gotta get ready to go to work. But it's either that, I'm either gonna turn it back on, or I'm gonna just end the video until tomorrow and pick up the camera tomorrow. I went ahead and started working on this side here, sanding that down, and here. Probably see the difference when, well, there, from here. I sanded there, didn't touch that yet until I stopped right here. So I got that to do. Walking around here, see. I'm sanding all that down. You can see from here, I didn't do none of that. Look, you can tell right here. And the inside. So I'm gonna set this camera back up on the tripod, and I'm gonna work on this side now. Hopefully I can throw some primer on here. It rained the other day, so the spots that I already sanded down kind of threw some more rust looking like this type of color on there again. So sand it down, hit it with the primer, so I don't have to worry about it if it do rain again. We're supposed to be getting some bad weather this weekend, so I'm trying to have it at least primered before the weekend comes. So 2 days until the weekend. Alright, so I got some more sanding done. Starting to think this is probably gonna be the best. I'm going to get it. Like I said, I'm just using a wire wheel. But yeah, I'll show you this one right here. I'm just using the wire wheel with a drill, and then coming back with some sandpaper, sanding it down. I'm gonna come back with some sandpaper, sand it down one more time. I kind of got that side good. That's why I went ahead and sprayed the primer there. But I'm going to have to spray this up. I don't gotta really do taping. Probably don't have to tape nothing, because I'm still replacing parts like my shocks. I'm not worried about those. I'm getting new ones. Probably gonna do air shocks or something, because I put my four-wheelers and stuff on the back of that, or I use a trailer, so be a little better. But went ahead and sand it down. Like I said, I'm gonna go over it a little bit more, but I really just want to wash it and go ahead and primer it, so we don't have to have no problems with no surface rust no more. But for the most part, it is done. You see some spots already got primer on it. So I'm gonna prime this up, get it ready for paint. I'm gonna paint it, and I'm keeping the bed off even when I get done painting it because I got some upgrades for that axle. So I'll go ahead and keep it like this until my parts come in. I'm not gonna tell y'all what I ordered or what's coming in for the axle yet until it's time to install it. And then there's ain't no telling how long the fuel pump been in here. It is stuck, man. But I'll worry about that once my fuel pump come in. I'm gonna just sand in there a little bit more. You see some spots came back to metal. Like I said, I'm not really worried about it if it come back all the way down to the metal or not. I just want to kind of smooth and take some of that, knock the surface rust off to where I can paint it and don't have to worry about it. No rust no more. Like you see, this came out pretty good. Pretty much all this came back down to the metal. Some spots didn't, or well, at least the spots that I couldn't reach. But ain't nobody gonna be looking at this. It's just like I said, just to where I don't have to worry about my frame going bad on me. No rust or nothing like that eating through the metal, because I don't have that problem on this truck, so I don't want to risk it. So I'll be back with another update here shortly.
Sorry.